you're almost never wrong to start from the standpoint of what parts of our application is the user interacting with. And this sort of hits on Steve's comment about end-to-end tests, right? Oftentimes those end-to-end tests are wrapping a user's interaction as they are touching multiple parts of the system to perform a full process, let's say. Because when we build systems, we're building small building block chunks that we then connect together to perform full things. And if you're in a TDD situation, you can neatly test those chunks, each of them, and have competence in that chunk. And that can allow you to have a more streamlined test that just worries about the interconnection of the chunks for the process. If you don't have that, you kind of have to take a different approach and be a bit more, I don't know if dogmatic is the right word, a bit more zeroed in and specific on all of the little nuts and bolts as you're doing that end-to-end test. I would say ideally you'd like to get to a point where you've got a flow of end-to-end tests and you can then start paring those down a bit, because those are expensive to run from a time standpoint. And there is value from a testing standpoint of being able to test units of your code in isolation, because those units have a life of their own, regardless of what other things are touching on. And the life cycle of that unit is concerned with the unit itself, not necessarily how other things talk to